Start with the sixth example here, and it is said that no work is done by a force on an object. So basically the net work done on the object or work done by a force on the object would be change in its kinetic energy, final minus initial, or it would be change in its potential energy. So first of all, the force is perpendicular to the velocity. As force is perpendicular to the velocity, the force will be Fs cos theta, and that would be 0, which is very easy. So for A is the right option here. Second, force is always perpendicular to its acceleration. So it is not necessary that work done has to be 0 if force is perpendicular to acceleration. Okay, because in any case you can consider, you will see that there is acceleration, but the work is done on the body. So here the object is stationary, but point of application of the force moves on the object. As object is stationary, the position of the object, in case this thing, the velocity of the object and the position of the object are not changing. And if position and velocity, speed, both are not changing, then there is no change in kinetic energy or potential energy. So obviously the work done would be 0. The object moves in such a way that point of application of force remains same. So here if this is the point of application of the force and it is fixed, while in this direction the size of the object is increasing, then in that case this work has no contribution in this displacement. So obviously the work done by that force on the object would be 0 again. So correct option answer to this question is A, C and D. Thank you.